Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
You want to create a zip file to send in Outlook. It's important to understand that you don't actually create the zip file inside Outlook itself. Instead, you create the zip file on your computer first, and then you attach it to your email in Outlook. Here's how to do it, whether you're using Windows or a Mac. If you're on a Windows computer, first locate the files or folders you want to compress. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key and clicking them, or select Arrange by holding Shift. Once your files are selected, right-click on any of the selected items. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Send to, then click on a compressed, zipped folder. Your computer will then create a new zip file in the same location as your original files. You can rename this zip file if you like. For Mac users, the process is similar. Select the files or folders you wish to zip. Right-click or Control-click on your selection. From the context menu, choose Compress Items. A new archive file will appear in the same directory. Once you have your zip file created, open Outlook. Start a new email message. Click on the Attach File button, which usually looks like a paperclip. Navigate to where you saved your newly created zip file. Select it and click Open or Insert. The zip file will now be attached to your email. You can then add your recipient, subject, and message, and send your email as usual. This method ensures your files are compressed and ready for easy sending through Outlook.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.